This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video cherries. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. The next morning, you woke up to the smell of coffee. You walked into the kitchen slowly. He was there, Jungkook. Sleeves rolled up, hair messy, trying. You stood at the doorway. You don't cook. He did not turn immediately. Jungkook, I'm learning. You stayed quietly. He placed a cup in front of you. Jungkook, no sugar, 2 spoons of milk. Your finger trembled slightly. You remember? He looked at you then. Jungkook, I remember everything. You did not respond, you just sat down. The silence wasn't cold anymore, it was careful. Days passed, he stopped coming home late, stopped sleeping with his back turned. One night, you woke up slightly and felt something new. His hand was lightly holding the edge of your sleeve. Not gripping, not forcing, just there. Like he was afraid you would disappear. You whispered in the dark, what are you doing? He did not let go. Jungkook, making sure you're still there. Your heart ached. I told you I'm not leaving yet. His voice was barely audible. Jungkook, yet. His words scares me. Silence. You did not move your arm away, but you did not hold him back either. A week later, you were getting ready to visit your parents. You wore something simple, soft. You looked beautiful without trying. He stood near the door watching you. Jungkook, are you staying there tonight? You paused. I might. His throat tightened. Jungkook, do you want me to come pick up later? You looked at him carefully. Why? Jungkook, because I don't sleep well when you're not here. That wasn't dramatic. That wasn't flirtatious. It was honest. You searched his face. Since when? He gave a small, broken smile. Jungkook, since I realized the house feels empty without you. Your chest hurt again. Because he meant it. That night, you did not stay at your parents. You came home, and when you walked inside, he was sitting on the couch, waiting, not on his phone, not working, just waiting. The second he saw you, relief washed over his face. Real relief. Jungkook, you're back? I said I would come. He stood up slowly. Jungkook, I wasn't sure. You don't trust me? He stood his head immediately. Jungkook, I don't trust myself. You frowned. Jungkook, I don't trust that I haven't already pushed you so far. Silence. You took off your shoes quietly. He stepped closer, not touching, just near. Jungkook, tell me how to fix this. You looked at him. You can't fix it in a day. Jungkook, then I'll take a lifetime. Your heart skipped. You say things like that now. He nodded. Jungkook, because now I'm scared. Your voice softened lightly. Of what? He swallowed hard. Jungkook, of waking up one day and your side of the bed being empty. That image hurt both of you. Jungkook, of you looking at someone else the way you once looked at me. Jungkook, of realizing I lost you because of my pride. His voice cracked slightly. Jungkook, I married you to forget her. He stepped closer. But now I'm begging you not to forget me. Your breathing became uneven. Jungkook? He shook his head. Jungkook, no, let me say it. His eyes were red. Jungkook, I was cruel, I was selfish. I treated you like you were temporary. He stepped even closer. But you became the only permanent thing in my life. Your tears fell silently. Jungkook, I don't want revenge anymore. I don't want pride. I want you. The words were simple, raw. He slowly went down his knees again. Not for drama, not to manipulate, but because that's how small he felt in front of your hurt. Jungkook, Please don't leave me. Your hands tremble. Jungle, I know you can't forgive me yet.
और पता रस्मों को रख के परे, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे। दिन कुछ कहे दिन कुछ सुने, हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चलो ना साथ।